Hello my friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Today on Tips to Fix, we will talk about something very beautiful and professional. We will talk about anti-USB microphone. Here it is. Today we will make the video for unboxing. We will test this microphone. It's just a brand new I bought on Amazon. And this is very professional microphone. You can use it for studio, making commercial jingles for radio station or whatever. Another thing you can use this microphone is for singing. And you know what? Using this microphone with USB, it's normal USB, not USB-C. Using this with your laptop directly, you don't need any sound card, any mixer or anything like that. You just need your laptop, this microphone, and also you need headphones. I have it here, AKG, but you can use whatever you want. And I will show you how to use very easy things, and you can make it able for recording videos like this. You can make video tutorial with this microphone. For YouTubers also, it's very professional, and also is one of the most sold for the moment. Anti-USB Rode microphone, Australian brand. So I will show you right now unboxing this and how to use and how to set it up and make it ready for recording. Let's start to open this box right now. We have a stitch here. What is that? We can remove it from here. First thing. So it is here. Remove this clip paper. Okay. Let's open up. And let's see. Wow. Okay, guys. Oh, it's this one. Nice. I can remove this. And here it is. Look at this microphone. We have here stand. Nice, beautiful stand. We can keep it. We have microphone here. Oh, we have also the pop shield. Okay. Let's remove it from here. We have microphone with pop shield. Let's remove this protection thing. Oh man, look at this. Microphone is here. Nice and clean. Anti-USB with USB down there. There is something here. Okay. Look at this, the USB is like 2.0. Okay, we have two potentiometers. One of them is a microphone, audio, and computer desktop. Because this microphone also, it will work like a sound card. Okay. We have pop shield, I think it's metallic. It's metallic. And it's removable. Yeah, if we want, we can remove it here. Okay. I will remove it for you guys. Let's see. Okay. Look at this. This is the microphone. And it's not omnidirection. It's with one way here. Here in this part, if you see this gold point, it means here is the place you can talk, and you can keep it like 4 hands away from your mouth, and here is the place to talk to this microphone. Okay, in this side, not in the back, but only in this side. Okay, let's mount this pop shield again, put it back together. Okay, nice. Okay, here it is. So what do we have again here? Also, oh, look at this. We have cable here. It's long enough. I think it's 5 meters. Is a tag here. Okay, it's came from New Zealand, Australia, and it works with power 5 volts, 100 milliampere, and it's Rode microphone, okay. And we have a bag. Man, this is awesome. Look at this. There is a book inside. Here is a manual, so you can read it, read the distance and everything you need. And if you want more details how to connect it, I will explain you on this video. But here you can read it yourself if you want. There are a lot of details here. So what we have inside, I love Rode. Look at this. We have a sticker we can put on our table or whatever. But this bag is very good for your microphone. If you want to travel and you need your microphone with you and you have your laptop, you need your microphone and that's it. You can go and make a video or you can go and record your song or something like that. You have the cable here, 5 meters. It's very, very enough. Okay. So now let's remove everything from the box. We will keep it here on the table. I will remove the box from here. And we just need the microphone. We don't need this box anymore. Okay, guys. Here it is. It's on the table right now. We have here all equipments. Okay, here is the stand. Here's the pop filter. I call pop filter, pop shell. So let's connect this stand and let's see how it looks here. Okay, look at this. This microphone now, it's ready for recording. Okay, but I can keep this because I don't have to use all the length of this cable. And I will show you how to connect directly on your computer and I will teach you how to use it. Okay, we have the microphone now. And also we have the laptop and we can connect it together. Okay, here is the set ready. Also, we need to have our headphones. Okay, now the next step is connecting your Rode microphone with your computer using the USB cable. Okay? So here at the bottom, is an connector, USB connector, and you have to connect this connector here on the back of the microphone. Connect it. Here it is. So look at this. Okay? And the other one, put in your laptop or in your computer. USB, put it here and put it here on the computer. Okay, let's see now on the computer what we have here. Oh, look at this. There is a blue light. I like it. Look at this blue light inside. Man, this is awesome. Can you see it? The blue light inside the microphone. This makes this microphone very beautiful to see and work with this. And let's see now on the computer. We have speaker Rode anti-USB. We can use our headphones. I will put the headphones and I will connect the headphones here on the headphones connector. And I'm listening to myself right now using this microphone. Also mix the volume from the computer. Audio, it comes from the computer. If you want to sing a song, you need to hear the music from your computer. Also hear yourself here on the microphone. And you can, with this potentiometer, you can balance audio from both. Audio from your microphone and audio from computer for your headphones. Here it is. And here is the volume of your headphones. This is just the volume. Okay. I have my headphones on my ears and I'm hearing to myself now on this microphone. So I will make this able to you and to hear how pure and how good quality is the audio. I will use Audacity, but you can use another software if you want, Adobe Audition or whatever. And choose your microphone. Oh, look at this Rode anti-USB loop back. You have microphone anti-USB. You don't need to install any driver. You don't need to do anything. You just plug the microphone on your computer, and computer it will um, understand automatically. So sure, if you use Windows 10. Okay, now click record, and here you can hear my voice using microphone from Rode NT USB. Okay, now I'm hearing myself. Also, you will hear my voice using this microphone, and you can tell me, and you can see the difference. So let me do a spot for you guys. And now you can see me. I have these headphones that are closed headphones. I will make another review for them. I will suggest you another video. And here I have the microphone, and let's do the test. Here I am on Tips to Fix. Daniel is here, and we will record this video. Okay, you are listening to Tips to Fix radio. There is always a way out. So you will see the difference on audio quality, and you can tell me. This is very good stuff, guys. Thank you guys for watching on this video tutorial. If you have any other questions, just write me comment below. I really suggest you using this microphone. It's very professional. So don't forget to subscribe Tips to Fix, and I will make another video tutorial for you guys these days. Also, thank you for watching, and God bless you.